Ārahina te iwi ki te ora. Koe nei ka noho hei tā huhu mo te whare o te iwi o Kaitahu, I raro I te ārahitaka o Arihia Bennett, kai hautu o te runanga o Ngaitahu.
Ngaitahu is responding to the COVID-19 situation on a number of levels, but really the first and the most important part is actually checking on the health and well-being of our families, and to be more specific, we're starting with our kaumātua. Phone calls, looking at what supports they've got in place, or if they haven't got them in place, how we can actually assist locally through our papatapu runanga or other health providers to assist them.
Ko hipa I te kotahi wiki a Aotearoa e noho rāhui ana ki te kaika, iruka I ka whakatau a te kāwanataka. Ka mutu e tuana ka tari iwi, hai pau mō ka whānau huri noa I te motu. Ko te runanga o Ngaitahu, tētahi tauira.
The key priorities for Ngaitahu are around health, well-being, safety, and most important, asking our families to stay at home. So if we can find different ways to get their resources, food, might be emergency resources such as getting assistance through the pharmacy or through the doctor, etc. We want to be able to assist in a particular way to actually help them stay at home. Look, moving forward, the next few months for the iwi are going to be extraordinarily different. We need to find a way to adjust and adapt to the new normal. We need to check out what's happening in the economy. We know that jobs and employment, health and well-being are going to be right at the top for us. So it's our role to actually look at how we're going to assist and support our communities and our families.
Aha koa te tirohaka matapōrehu kai mua kai te aroaro mō ka marama e kainamu mai nei, me ki mitou e tātou he māramataka e tae tonu ti ai te mahi. He nare te aika puanaki, Tahu News.